A comparison between the plant and animal cells reveals both similarities and differences. In terms of similarities, both cells are bound by a membrane, a cell membrane that controls the movement of materials in and out. They both have a cytoplasm in which the various cellular organelles and other structures are suspended. They have similar organelles, such as they both have a nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticula. All those organelles are found in both plant and animal cells. But on the other hand, there are certain differences that are observed when you compare the two types of cells. One, and the most distinct, is that plant cells have a cell wall made of cellulose, while animal cells do not have a cell wall of any nature. For that reason, plant cells tend to have a regular shape, while for the same reason, animal cells have an irregular shape. The shape of the cell depends on the surroundings, that is the pressure that acts on the cell from the surrounding and also from within. Another point of difference is the subvacuole. Plant cells have a large, very prominent, permanent and centrally placed subvacuole. Animal cells, on the other hand, usually lack subvacuole, but if present, they're tiny, they're temporary, that is, they disappear and reappear, they're very small, and they are not centrally placed, they're usually peripheral in the animal cells. Now, another point of difference is the position of the nucleus. Because in plant cells, the subvacuole is centrally placed, it tends to displace the other cellular organelles, including the nucleus, towards the periphery. So you find that in plant cells, the nucleus will be peripheral, unlike in animal cells where there is no centrally placed subvacuole. So in most cases, it will be the nucleus that is located at the center. Certain plant cells may have chloroplast in them, while animal cells never have chloroplasts. Plant cells store excess carbohydrate in the form of starch, while animals store excess carbohydrates in the form of glycogen. These are two types of carbohydrates that are slightly different in terms of chemical and physical properties. So those are some of the most distinct structural differences that we observe when you compare the two types of cells.